Well, hello and welcome back to Style with Nina. I'm Nina, and my channel is all about luxury, travel, lifestyle, and if any of those things interest you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And let's go ahead and get started. So on today's video, I am going to be unboxing this little mama. So, yeah, I have been doing real good. And I know y'all can't tell because of the way the videos are coming out, but I have been doing real good. But I had went into the Saks Fifth Avenue to return something that I purchased online. I purchased a two-piece, and it only came with one of the two pieces bathing suit. So that was a little small little purchase. I said, let me return it. So whilst I was there, started looking around, and lo and behold, I saw these. So the Saks Fifth Avenue, well, the Chanel boutique inside the Saks Fifth Avenue won't give you Chanel bags. I feel some kind of way about that. They're like an independent store or whatever. So it just came in a regular old Saks bag, so I didn't want to waste time pulling it out of that. But so yeah, I got these bad boys. Okay. Oh Lord. Okay, everything's falling out. Oh, this is real ratchet. Okay, yep. So, hopefully you can see what they are. Can y'all see them? Let's see. Okay, let me just pull them out. They are Chanel Espadrilles. I have been wanting some Chanel Espadrilles for probably about 4 years. But I just couldn't spend what they cost. Like, I'm like, I mean, are they worth $800? $759, whatever they are. But I like these because even though, I initially wanted the ones with the CCs on them, everybody and their mama have those. So I am happy to have a pair that's a little similar, a little different than the norm. And I feel like you can wear these, I don't want to say all year round, but at least 3 of the 4 seasons. I definitely can see wearing them, especially here in Atlanta where it doesn't. I probably could wear them all year round here in Atlanta, or if you live in like LA, where the weather doesn't really change often. These to me look like they will fit the bill for that. So yeah, let's see what they look like on. So what I like about them, let me just tell you a little bit about them. So what I like about them, they are, the right shoe says SCHA. The left shoe says NEL. So they're a little bit understated, if that makes any sense, for an espadrille, especially a Chanel espadrille. I feel like they're a little understated. They are suede. Let me read the box. That's what I'll do. So they are they're just called Velvet Beige Black. Trying to see if they got a name or anything. They just say Espadrilles CO204 Beige Black. So if you're looking for them, that's what they are. Yeah. I'll show you box. Yeah, nothing special about the box. They just the box. Okay, why does my thing keep cutting off, y'all? Wait a minute. Okay, so hopefully it's still recording, because listen, I don't have time to be redoing no videos. Listen, I can barely get the videos out, let alone redo them. So I'm going to go ahead and try them on. Hopefully they fit. They are a size, oh Lord, I may not be able to fit these. The ones I tried on in the stove fit a little better. I can't get these on. What? Okay, I'm like really, I think I need, you know what I need? I need the old lady thing you put on to slide them on. Oh God. So the ones I tried on in the store were the size 39. And I know Chanel runs small. So usually I'm a good 40. I would take them back. Okay, I got them on. I would take them back, but based on how they were fitting in the store, I feel like they're going to stretch. And so if I get the 40s, I feel like they are going to, they're going to be too big. But I am having a moment trying to get these on without breaking my nails. Okay, so let me show you guys what they look like on. Okay, so here are they on. This is what they look like on. If you saw my other shoe video, you know why I got this piece of carpet right here. They do make a little squeaky noise. I don't know how I feel about that. Y'all hear that? Let me... Like, that's real annoying. So I don't know if that's something that goes away. So if you own a pair of these or any Chanel Espadrilles, and let me know if they were squeaking like this at the beginning. So this is what they look like. That is really annoying. Oh, Father, that's annoying. Yeah, I'm thinking they need to just be broke in because they were not doing this in the store. I'll probably insert the footage of me trying them on in the store as well. Maybe. But anyway, that's what these look like. Let me know what you think. I have really big legs, so I'm just like, am I Espadrille girl or no? Yeah, my ankles are, they just big. But anyway, let me know your thoughts. Let me see. Nothing special. They're just a real pretty velvet. I'm trying to, the lighting is changing. So if the lighting is better in the store, I'll insert that video just so you can see what they look like. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The squeaky is getting on my nerves, and they are just a tight, like just a little tight. But like I said, I tried them on the ones in the store, and they were actually falling off of my foot in the back. So I know they're going to stretch. So I don't know if I want to return them and get the bigger size, and then they're too big. Because you can't, unlike the Coach loafers that I showed you. Those were a little big, but you could actually wear them as slides. And they were leather on the inside, so I knew they were, you know. These, I don't know what they are on the inside. I guess I can look and see, but they're a little tight. Like, I don't, you know, I don't know if I'm just, I don't know. I feel like Chanel shoes, I'm gonna just be honest, they're like old lady shoes. I like their handbags. I like some of their sneakers, but they still, you know, I got a pair. They kind of, you know, I don't know. So tell me what you guys think about these. Of course, I don't have on the right outfit for them. This is still the same recording day. I just changed my shirt and put my hair over to the side or whatever's. But you're not supposed to be seeing these pants. You're only supposed to see me from this part up. But anyway, yeah, and that's my, it looks a mess because I did my makeup before doing these videos. So of course, I haven't cleaned it up yet. But anyway, tell me what you guys think about these Chanel Espadrilles. See, they're cute when I stand like that, but the noise, like, why they squeaking or whatever? I mean, why they squeaking? Like, what's up? All right. Until next time, y'all know what I'm about to say. Stay stylish and stay fabulous. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.